Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with an eyebrow tutorial, just showing you how I do my brows on a day-to-day basis. This forms part of the Back to Basics and Beginner's Guide series. I really hope you learn a thing or two from how I do my eyebrows. And if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like, comment and share. I'd really love to hear from you guys. Grooming is very important when it comes to eyebrows, so just make sure that your brows are nice and groomed. Whether you wax, tweeze or thread, whichever one you prefer, just make sure that is done so you can start off on a nice clean slate. I start off by brushing my eyebrows in place using a spoolie. You can use anything, you can use an old toothbrush, anything, as long as you brush your eyebrows into place. I'm using an eyebrow pencil in this video, and this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. It's the Yardley eyebrow pencil in the shade Woodburn. It's less than 100 rand. You can get it at Clicks. I'm sure Dischem has it. I know Foschini also has it, and it's my go-to eyebrow pencil. It's the perfect shade and it just glides on your skin. Now I'm going to join multiple strokes below my eyebrow, following the shape of my brow using my eyebrow pencil. I'm now going to join multiple strokes again on the top of my brow, following the shape of my brow and also creating a curve. Now that I've got an outline for my eyebrow, I'm going to fill in the brow using my eyebrow pencil. Just use light strokes and fill in all the gaps. Using an earbud, I will blend out the beginning of the brow where I will have drawn a small brown line, so that I can use that to actually blend into the eyebrow to create that ombre faded look. To clean up the imperfections or anything that I might have messed up, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn.